And welcome back. We are here again with you with another. I think we're going up. Is that right?
Approximately up.
You got y'all hooked the roll.
No, I don't.
It does say y'all though, doesn't it? That ain't right. That's roll. Pitch to pitch, yeah. Roll to
Yaw,
roll. Okay.
yaw.
Yeah, you're
pitch,
right.
pitch, roll, roll. Yeah, it's
Okay.
designed to be hooked up like this. Yeah.
Yeah, and I would agree with that. But that is just weird that because that's clearly a rolling sign, is it not?
Charlie, it doesn't directly match to the cables and everything. Roll is definitely rolling. Yaw is definitely the side to side, and pitch is definitely up and down. You're absolutely correct. I'm just saying that why is it showing red, Charlie? Have we used too much wire?
No. Is it touching the ground? Too high. Lower it one.
Oh.
It has to be actually supported um to a degree. Ew. Ew. Hold on. As for that engine, that one's split there though. While we know do same split over here for this, we should do same split for here. Is that at here? Yeah. They're better. Yeah. There. We could now actually run that back as well. So that should be power to both engines.
Okay, then I'll run data cables to both engines.
All right. I'll tin them up for you.
Actually, I'm going to install some supports up here to make running these very easy. Let me get a small support beam here near the edges. Here,
corner.
I'll put it over.
There
we go.
It's now inner corner. I got the top engines coming out already. They just need to come over here. The top engines are forward and backward, so they go to the go and no go. So I will put a splitter there for data because it only needs a two-way splitter. That's 5. That goes there. Data cable from there to there straight away. And then there's of those, and then this one here, which is forward and, or it's up and down, just, I think also just needs a single splitter. No, it needs a four-way splitter for all four up and down motors. Oh god. Oh god. As nice and compact as I like this, Alex.
What?
I can't hook up the bottom of my four-way splitter. Okay.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry.
I'll say, can we pull the power out just a hair?
We can pull it out quite a good bit. Kept it nice and organized for that very reason. However, your main issue is going to be running 4-hole data cables to 4-hole distinct engines all the way back there. Well, actually, it shouldn't be very hard because I've already done a good bit of the work for you on that, haven't I?
So we can't split them more than once. So, yeah, both of the data lines for the up and down, which is this one here, are already here.
Okay. Could you move your ass, please?
Yeah,
While I try and figure out where to run how to run this fucker. Okay, forward and back engines have been attached.
The power?
The power's already done on them. Yeah, you hooked that up. Yeah. Power has not been fully attached over here on this side though. Although it doesn't really need to be, so let me just cut that extra wire off. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, that'll be power that goes to power camera systems once we get those hooked up. And then this last one here needs to connect to that one. Okay, I guess I'll start looking at camera positioning.
Yeah. I'm thinking one for down.
Okay, and then let me also see about the RCS thrusters, because I know we need to do those. And then we can start looking at extra dials we can put up there to determine more information. Okay, let me see here. So you want one facing forward or what?
Pretty much the same setup we had a minute ago. Where,
we didn't have a setup a minute ago.
You said RCA thrusters, right?
No. I said cameras.
Oh, one facing downwards and...
Would this work right here?
Probably. Either there or front center facing down, maybe? I don't know.
I think it would be better here, and there's one reason why.
Well,
if I
how about back center?
If I try and put it front center, it's going to get in the way of this. But if I put it on the side here, we can make a run through right through that wall right there, hook it straight up to the monitors with very little work. And it'll still point downwards. It won't be perfect center, but...
Kind of thinking back, because we do have the glass floor here. to be able to see down in the front.
Okay, Princess Charlie.
I mean, you could run that wire along the outside.
You bitch, god damn you.
But alright, so that's done. Let me finish doing the power in here.
Of course, and I gotta do this now. And then I gotta find a way to include power into this son of a bitch. Because god damn it, Charlie just couldn't keep his goddamn pecker in his pants. God damn you, Charlie. It's all your fault.
Good.
Frame quarter with ports. Frame quarter with ports. Corner. Okay. Put this in 7. Actually, no.
Grab me another power switch.
Okay, weld all that up so it'll be stable. And then, do we even need a forward-facing camera?
No.
Well, then why do we need 2 monitors?
One for a different direction? I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put a forward-facing camera just to fuck you.
Okay. Alright, where's the back camera?
All the way in the back, but I haven't run the wire for it yet.
Oh, that's what I was looking at. Alright, so power shouldn't be a problem
It might.
at all. Where did you hook up the data's there? Okay.
Are we gonna run out of splitters?
No.
It's highlighted bright red.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. So where's that camera? And then the
You
data
hooked that.
line.
You hooked that up to the data, not the power. Charlie's slipping.
There you go.
His job is on the line. Hey, could you get us a data? No, wait, no. We can't do a data splitter like that, can we?
You can't split them more than once. And for the cameras, really, they have to be home run straight to the monitor by the looks of it.
Oh, well, okay. Are we at least making what Bob and them did look terrible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Totally. Since Mark did most of it.
Hey,
He
don't.
used his
Hey.
electrical engineering.
Hey, don't badmouth Mark. We can make fun of Bob and Wade all we want, but
No,
Mark,
he did a lot of the wiring is what he did. He did some of the structural, he mostly did wiring.
well, what I was saying is that Mark did excellent work when it came to his movie. So he
Oh
clearly
yeah, he
knows
absolutely did.
something about.
Yeah. Where's the other camera? You said front.
Yeah, I'll handle the other camera. Don't worry.
Oh, facing front. Not what I thought you meant by front. Okay. What else could we want?
Well, remember all those instruments like the altimeter, the speedometer, all those things that they had?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
Start look.
there was two. You wanted to know about power, so we have a power usage and power generator monitor.
Well, and see about hooking them up.
Value to the output port. The light on the indicator shows um shows green when enough power is in the circuit, and red when there's not enough power. Generator displays the current power generation per second in the connector electric circuit and output value output port. The light on the indicator shows green when there is enough power and red when there is not. So, okay, let me see if there is anything on that in here. I don't even know what that is. What, these models rotate? Huh.
Mm-hmm.
I
You
didn't know
didn't
that the
know that?
models and the no, and the thing I did not know that the models rotated at all. So, like, I don't even know what that piece is. I got this one, I know that, because that's the velocity meter that only needs data. But we don't have that other piece that they were showing. We've got these gauges. Hmm. I know it says it puts out a digital signal to okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Red is the usage meter, green is the generator, so I'm going to put there, there. I cannot label these. That, and then thing said something about wireless transmitters, but I'm gonna guess that those aren't in yet, even though we saw them in the demo,
Well,
in the tutorial.
there are wireless transmitters for the RCS.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm talking about like that we could hook up now, so that wouldn't actually help me here at all. I was gonna use those to transmit up to a display up top. Did we unlock those in one of these missions?
No idea.
Does not look like it.
Looks like we have.
whiteboard.
Do we have all the wiring in the front panel done yet?
Think so.
Okay then. What about
like
all
it.
these instruments we were wanting to hook up though?
That's what I'm kind of looking at. So I put these back here so they could tell us if we're generating enough or not. Hopefully.
Okay.
What
What about the altimeter? What about the speedometer?
altimeter? Which one's?
The one that tells us our height from the planet's surface.
Vertical meter?
Vertical meter, okay.
That would be useful, actually.
Does it actually say it measures the height from the planet's surface?
It just says displays the data signal from input port. So we need something to determine our height. Out of windows.
What?
All the windows turn red. Do they all share? Do all the windows share the same thing?
Take them goddamn side windows off, motherfucker.
Can't believe that all the windows share.
Yep, they share, goddamn you.
Well, I guess we're just gonna drive blind.
Fuck. Okay, I can work with this. Hold on. No. Don't take up the floor, Charlie. Don't take up the floor.
I'm not. Why did you put a pillar here?
So I can run wires up it.
There. Accidentally welded some of it.
That's fine.
Okay. Let's see. I feel like this one will definitely be a lot more comfortable to work in. You need me to fill in those edges?
I will fill them in, thank you. By the way, you should be able to put your two viewing ports back now, by the way. Oh, wait, no. No, you will not. No, you will not.
I'll say we could live without them.
God damn it.
Okay. One short?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay, not a problem. Hold on. There. We don't need that window.
What window?
The window I just deleted in here.
Oh. Well, okay.
It's under the navigator seat. So, not under the seat, but it's under the monitors, so.
Under the monitor. Under the monitor. There's nothing that rhymes with monitors, so fuck you, Charlie. Okay, so did we figure out anything about how we can determine some of these things? See, a remapper. No. None of this seems to be memory. Inclinometer measures differences in degrees between the component's down direction and gravity's direction. We could use that to tell us the incline.
But really, the vertical meter is what I'm really wanting to know how to use, but we need to have something that will tell us our vertical height.
Okay, hold on.
It's also a digital one as well, and we could also try to use the digital one, but it requires power instead of just... Well, I don't know. So this one, it just has a power port. It just has a yellow port, which is power, and the other one has yellow and blue.
Yellow is data.
You're right. You're right. All right. So the other one. So blue is power on that one? No, they're both. That's both data.
Yeah,
that must have like an
blue
in and
and
out.
yellow can be data, Charlie.
Okay, so that must be an in and out. Okay, so what do we? What could be
It might be
something
we
that could?
just. It might be we just don't have it.
There's the trajectory curvature meter, whatever that does.
Differences in degrees between the spaceship's trajectory and its facing direction. I don't think that has anything to do with speed.
Put some lights in here though. Okay. We just might not have what's needed to do that.
Yeah, we may not.
Like, so we don't get the accelerometer till we go to the moon, as well as the breaking point system, which is another meter. We gain.
Wait, how do you
electric.
know that?
Press O. Click on the missions. Like, we get bigger batteries after the second mission and a whiteboard.
Oh.
And then Lost in Transit gives us a gyro line.
So in other words, we just made this ship with a bunch of crap that's sucky compared to the other stuff. Okay, so what should our first mission be?
The top one, because it gives us the altimeter.
Okay.
You want to give it a shot? Want to go into fly mode and see what falls off?
Yeah, hold on. Oh wait, no, we can't.
Why?
We haven't put the RCS system in.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, we haven't done that yet. We have it hooked up. We just haven't installed the RCS things. Let me find the RCS. There it is. And I'll put that as 2. Okay. Do we want to have to try and set this up like we did last time?
Yeah, let's go ahead and place them and set them to what we believe they're gonna be.
Okay. Oh, oops.
I'm gonna grab a big block of frame so I could actually stand on it. What does this one need to be set to?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
Is this centered?
Centered enough.
Okay. And then, of course, we also have to have 2 on this side.
I centered your bottom one. Better, not perfect, but better. This looks like a ship from Star Wars.
Okay. This one I'm going to set to roll.
All right, that one needs to be flipped.
What one?
The one you're at.
Why?
Because you have the other one also facing down.
Didn't we say they were going to be facing the same direction?
Oh yeah, that's right. All right, so yeah, this right here would be what, roll
that's
negative?
that's positive. Roll positive. Yeah. And we can fix this after the first one. Roll negative. Okay. Then this would be yaw minus. That one will be yaw
positive.
Plus.
That means this one will be pitch minus. Actually, this one would probably need to be pitch plus. Making this one pitch minus.
Yeah, and we'll test this before we end this episode. So go
ahead and save this.
Wait, there. What the hell's this thing?
Oh, I put that there to stand on.
Oh, well, then let's remove it.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, hold on. Let me save too. Bean can.
Bean can. Yep. All right. Ready?
Yeah, you're here. All right, get in the captain's chair. We're gonna calibrate.
We are definitely using more power than what we are generating, apparently.
Well, duh, we aren't generating any power.
And neither camera's actually giving us... do we have enough power at all?
Camera's blinking. Okay, so... okay, first. Okay, so, do hard to the left with no other variables.
Alright, that's hard left. It sounds like that's shooting off my left one, though, ain't it?
It is shooting off the left one, yeah.
Okay, so that needs to be swapped.
Okay, hold on. What do you...
hard right.
Okay, that's hard right? Yep. Okay, that's hard right, and it's doing the right. Okay, let me swap that then. So I'm going to swap...
If you swap it now, it won't
yaw
save.
Plus to... Oh, right. Okay, so I'm going to swap it to yaw minus then. To yaw plus, and then yaw plus to yaw minus.
Leave that. Let you do it.
Okay, now get back in there.
That's why it's not working. You've got a power plate backwards.
A power plate backwards? Where?
Right here. Facing backwards. Okay. All right.
Yeah, let's fix that.
Okay. Okay. Oh. I hate how this works. So useless. The edit function doesn't work as precise as the other function.
Am I gonna have to do it, or?
No, I have to look all everywhere in order to point stuff. All right, there.
All right, let's keep going then. Oh, look, monitors are on.
They're on, but I still don't have a video.
Hey, one of them's displaying.
I don't see any display.
Yeah, it is. It's pointing straight at the ground, retard.
Oh, I guess it is, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I also see a power wire not connected to anything.
Let's go back. Hey, and don't get distracted. We're calibrating here. Okay.
So just that's the skin. Hard left.
So hard left. Okay. Hard left. Make sure you're not touching anything else.
I'm not, and that should be my right one.
Okay, that is doing the right one, but it's also doing the top for some odd reason too.
Like that?
Yeah, like right there. It's also doing the top a little bit. Are you sure you ain't touching it by one little numeral?
Nope, it's not.
Let me come up there and look.
All right, here's... Okay, yeah, I'm going to just let it keep firing then.
Negative. And maybe it's just a little janky. Okay, so that's doing the right one. Okay. Now do the left.
All right.
Okay, that one's working. Okay. Now.
Here's straight forward.
Straight forward. Yeah, that's doing right. Okay, straight back. Okay. And then roll. Roll left.
Sorry, that was roll right. Sorry.
Wait, roll right, you're saying? Rolling to the
Yeah.
right? Okay, then,
Yeah,
hold on.
sounds like it's backwards.
I need to switch those, yeah. 1 sec. Okay, roll plus, then. Roll plus, and then roll minus.
Alex, you missed the data hole for the top camera. That's why it don't work.
I did?
Yeah, why do I just lie when I'm in there?
Oh.
Okay, let me fix that.
Did that not save?
No, because you just left edit mode.
Oh.
So the front camera is...
So the right
back
one's roll
to
minus. The left one's roll plus now. Okay. The pitch was fine. The pitch is fine. We handled the pitch. Yeah, let me fix the data port one.
It's fixed.
Oh, well, thank God I came up here. You didn't weld something up here, right?
Huh?
Yeah, you didn't weld this engine compartment up here, right? It would have been leaking air.
I still don't see... okay.
So, did I get it right?
Fix it on the inside.
Okay, you fixed it on the inside. Okay. So long as it's fixed.
Alright. Whenever I had it rotating, which one was... we'll figure it out. Okay. Ready to go back into flight mode?
Yeah.
Now I got both cameras working.
Yeah, here. Okay, let me close the door. We're gonna have our inaugural test flight.
Alright, the radar still don't work, though.
Did we turn it on?
We didn't hook it up to power. That's what that line over there is for. That's what this line's for.
Okay, let me save it again now. Wait, are we still in flight mode?
We are now.
God damn it, Charlie. Okay, let me close the door. I hate how there's a delay with closing that door. Okay. Here, let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Give it a shot. Okay, we are flying now, baby. Woo! And we're stable, too. You might want to... Yeah, we may need a little bit more.
Okay, so...
Hey, look at that. Our cameras are working. Our radar works properly. I think this is good. This is clearly very... What?
So which way is our first mission?
That is an excellent question, but it's going to have to wait till next time.
Okay. Till then,
this has been
go. That is not the right thing to do.
Here, Charlie, let me drive. You see, this is how you drive, Charlie.
How did I jump?
Why did I push forward on the accelerator? Oh, that was wonderful. Anyway.
Wait, that wasn't the accelerator. That was up and down.
Oh, you're right. Wow.
I pushed forward on the accelerator and it made us spin. So, what?
Anyway.
Do I have to lower these? Okay, yeah, we'll figure it out in a second.
So until next time, this has been an MO7 production. I have been Marretti. Charlie has been a squirrel monkey. And this has been essentially, or approximately up. Goodbye.
Bye.